Hi guys!
Hi, it's the Daddy Kayla Show. This is the story of Gideon from Judges chapters 6, 7, and 8. We took one verse from each chapter.
And
to the tune of?
Yes, it is put to the tune of I've been working on the railroad.
Goes like this. Judges 6 verse 16, the Lord answered. Judges 6 verse 16, I will be with you, and you will strike down all the Midianites, leaving none alive. Judges 7:12, the Lord said to Gideon, you've too many men for me to deliver Midian into your hands, or Israel will boast that her own strength has saved her. Then Gideon said to them, I will not rule over you, nor will my sons rule over you. The Lord will rule over you. That's found in Judges 8:23. Judges 8 verse 23. Judges 8 verse 23. The Lord will rule over you. Hope you liked it.
Bye!